We've seen a bunch of these puzzles pop up on social media. Let's take a moment and see what we can do with this one. To start with, it tells us we have 3 sorcerers equal 45. Well, we're going to use S to stand for sorcerer. So to solve that, we would have 3S equals 45. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. So when we do, that tells us that each sorcerer is going to be worth 15. On this next part, we have 3 wands that equal 21. Well, we'll use W to stand for wand. So following the same process, 3 wands equal 21. Divide both sides by 3. So that tells us that each wand equals 7. Then on this third part, again, following the same process, we have 3 brooms that equal 12. So B to stand for broom. So 3B equals 12. Go ahead and divide both sides by 3. So that tells us that each broom is worth 4. Now let's come down to the bottom part. We have 1 broom, so that's worth 4. But then when we get to our sorcerer, we know she was worth 15. But compare her to up here. She had a wand in her hand and no wand here. So that means we need to subtract 7 for the wand. And she had a broom in this hand and no broom here. So that means we need to subtract 4 for the broom. And then there's multiplication, and our wand is worth 7. So how much is that all together? Well, order of operations tells us to do our parentheses first. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus another 4 is 4. So that tells us we have 4 plus 4 times 7. Order of operations tells us multiplication comes next. So 4 times 7 is 28. So we have 4 plus 28. 4 plus 28 gives us 32. So our interpretation of this one is that it's worth 32. Let's see what you have if you came up with anything different.